If you're in Procreate and you're trying to drop one color over another and you're getting the outline of the old color still showing up, there's a simple way to fix it. We're just going to try again with this N. We're going to drop the green over the N and you'll see that orange is still showing up. That's because the color drop threshold is at 0. I'm still holding my pencil to the screen. I never remove the pencil, and I'm going to pull it up towards the top of my iPad, and I'm going to scroll at the threshold. So I'm going from left to right, pulling that threshold up. And as you can see, the percentage is getting higher. And now it's at 39, and it did cover the entire letter. So I'm going to do it again here. Now it's at 39. If I scroll it up to 82, it still looks good. If I scroll it all the way down, you start to see that orange. So remember to never lift your pencil off the screen once you drop that color. Then you'll get the threshold meter at the top and you'll be able to adjust it accordingly. And that's it. That's how you do it.